हेलो गाइस, तो हमको नेक्स्ट वीडियो आफ्टर 51 क्वेश्चन से डिस्कशन करने जा रहा हूँ। लेट्स गो हेड। विच एडवर्स ड्रग्स इफेक्ट इज मोर कॉमन इन चिल्ड्रन देन इन एडल्ट? आंसर नंबर बी, क्लोप्रोमाजीन इंड्यूस्ड मसल डायस्ट्रोमा। तो यहाँ पर विच एडवर्स ड्रग्स इफेक्ट इज मोर कॉमन इन चिल्ड्रन देन इन एडल्ट? क्लोप्रोमाजीन इंड्यूस्ड मसल dystonia. And 15 number 2, the already patients are relatively intolerant to the digoxin, salbutamol, paracetamol, nifedipine. Answer here are digoxin. 53, the following drugs adverse effect is especially noted in men compared to women. Men compared to women: tardive dyskinesis due to the neuropeptides, levodopa induced abnormal movements, ampicillin induced loose motion, ketoconazole induced loss of libido. Here the option number D, ketoconazole induced loose motion. 54, which of the following adverse drugs reaction is due to the specific genital abnormality? Tetracyclic induced sunburn like skin lesion, quinidine induced thrombocytopenia, metabolism induced muscle dystonia, primecune induced massive hemolysis. Here the option primecune induced massive hemolysis. 55, drugs metabolism can be induced by the following factor except cigarette smoking, acute alcohol ingestion, exposure insecticides, consumption charcoal, broiled meat. Here the option number B, acute alcohol ingestion. Which of the following is true for placebo? Placebo is a dummy medication. Placebo is the inert material added to the drugs of making tablets. Placebo do not produce any effect. All patients respond to placebo. Here the option number A, placebo is dummy medication. In the patient with renal insufficiency, the clearance of the following drugs is usually parallel to the reduction in ketamine clearance: propanol, daxone, lignocaine, बेनफ्रिल. अभी नहीं खोल पाऊंगा यार, बाद में मिलना. 57 के बीच डायगजिन. In undesirable effect of a drug that occurs at a therapeutic dose and can be predicted from its pharmacological action is called side effect, toxic effect, allergic reaction, idiosyncrasy, none of the above. Here the option number A, side effect. Which of the following is a type B, unpredictable adverse drug reaction? Side effect, toxic effect, idiosyncrasy, physical dependency. Here the option number C, idiosyncrasy. Drugs producing allergic reaction generally act as complete antigen, heptins, antibody, mediators, all of the above. Here the option number B, heptins. The type 2 and type 3 and type 4 hypersensitivity reaction can be suppressed by adrenaline, antihistamine, corticosteroid, solid chromoglycate, and none of the above. Here the option number C, corticosteroid. 62. Intradermal drug sensitive test can detect the presence of following types of hypersensitivity: type 1, type 2, type 3, all of the above. Here the option number A, type 1, anaphylactic shock. 63. Which of the following organ is innervated only by the parasympathetic nerve? Iris muscle, ciliary muscle, Swiss gland, spleen capsule, and none of the above. Here the option number is ciliary muscles. The sympathetic and parasympathetic system exert functionally opposite influence on the following parameter except heart rate, arterial refractive period, pupillary dilator, intestinal motility, all of the above. Here the option number B, arterial refractory period. 65. The major post-junctional chlorogenic receptor of the muscarine type at the following site: postganglionic, parasympathetic, adrenal medulla, autonomic ganglia, neuromuscular junction, none of the above. Here the option number A, postganglionic parasympathetic. 66. Pseudocholinesterase differ from true cholinesterase is that it does not hydrolyze acetylcholine, it hydrolyzes acetylcholine at a slower rate, it is more susceptible to inhibited by the physiostigmine, it is only from circulating cholinesterase. Here the option number B, it hydrolyzes acetylcholine slow rate. 67. The clonic cholinesterase resistant to both true and pseudocholinesterase is methacholine, bethanchol, benzocholine, butyrocholine, none of the above. Here the option number B, bethanchol. The cardiac muscarine receptor are M1 subtype, M2 subtype are the selective blocking pyrenzogepine functional through PIP2 and PIP3 DAG pathway. Here the M2, option number B. Chlorogenic muscarine receptors stimulate produce the following effect except sweating, rising blood pressure, bicardia, urination, all of the rising blood pressure. The smooth muscle structure that is related by the cholinergic drugs: colon, gastric, pharynx, major bronchial, bladder, trigone, none of the above. Here the option number D, bladder, trigone. Pilocarpine is used for glaucoma, paralytic illness, urinary retention, all of the above and none of the above. Pilocarpus is used for glaucoma. The following inhibitors binds only to the anionic site of cholinesterase enzyme: neostigmine, physiostigmine, idofurmanium, diplus, none of the above. Here the option number C, idofurmanium. 73. Reactivation of the cholinesterase enzyme occurs from hydrolysis of the inhibitor by the same enzyme molecule in case of the following anticholinesterase: option number idofurmanium, neostigmine, dipols, tacaine, all of the above. Here the option number B, neostigmine. 74. The organophosphate produce irreversible inhibition of the cholinesterase because they bind to an allosteric site of the enzyme, resulting in unfavorable conformation of the steric site to bind acetylcholine. Regeneration time of the phosphorylated enzyme is longer than the turnover time of enzyme molecule phosphorylation results in rapid degradation of enzyme molecule. They are neither metabolized nor excreted from the body. Here none of the above. Here the option number B. Regeneration time of the phosphorylate enzyme is longer than turnover time of the enzyme. 25. Neostigmine is preferred over physiostigmine for the treating myasthenia gravis because it is better absorbed orally, it has longer duration of action, it has additional direct agonist action of nicotinic receptor at the muscles and play it penetrate blood-brain barrier. Yeah, none of the above. Here the option number C is penetrate blood-brain barrier. 76. Pyridostigmine differs from neostigmine is that it is more potent orally, it is longer acting, it produces less muscarinic side effect, it does not have any direct action of nicotinic muscarine receptor. None of the above. Where the answer, it is longer acting. Hydrophonium is more suitable for differentiating myasthenia crisis from cholinergic crisis because of its shorter duration of action, longer duration of action, direct action on muscles in plate, selective inhibition of the two cholinesterase. Yeah, none of the above. Shorten duration of action. 78. Pilocarpine reduce intraocular tension is open angle glaucoma by the contracting sphincter pupils, increased tone of ciliary muscles, reducing aqueous formation, enhancing uveicular outflow. None of the above. Here the option number B. Increased tone of ciliary muscles. Timolol eye drops are preferred over pilocarpine eye drop by the glaucoma patient because timolol is more effective than pilocarpine. Timolol acts by enhancing uveicular outflow. Timolol produces less ocular side effects. There are no contraindications of the timolol. None of the above. Here the option number C. 80. Select the longer acting ocular beta blocker. Timolol, betaxolol, carticolol, levodopa, and all of the above. Here the option number D. Levodopa. Which of the following is a producing adrenaline used topically in glaucoma? Option: brimonidine, diphenhydramine, phenylpropanolamine, dorzolamide. None of the above. Here the option number B. diphenhydramine. 82. Select the diuretic that is most effective in acute congestive glaucoma. Indapamide, amiloride, mannitol, furosemide. None of the above. Here the option number C. Mannitol. Neostigmine is beneficial in cobra invenomous because it binds to and inactivates cobra toxin. It reverses coma due to cobra toxin. It contracts the cardio-repressive action of the cobra toxin. It antagonizes the paralysis action of cobra toxin. None of the above. Here the option number D. It antagonizes the paralyzing action of cobra toxin. 84. Which is the most important drugs in the treatment of organophosphate poisoning? Atropine sulfate, palidoxamine, diazepam, adrenaline. Both A and B. 84. A. Atropine sulfate. 85. Atropine does not antagonize The following feature of anticholinergic poisoning: hypotension, central excretion, muscular paralysis, bronchial constriction, none of the above. Option number C, muscles paralysis. 86. Hyoscine differ from atropine in that it exert depressant effect on the CNS at a relative low dose, exert more potent effect on the heart than on the eye, is longer acting, has weaker anti-motion sickness activity. Yeah, none of the above. At the option number A, exert depressant effect on the CNS at a relative lower dosage. 87. Which of the following anticholinergic drugs is primarily used in anesthetic medication and during the surgery? Glycopyrrone, piprazole, methyl bromide, isopramide, diclozamine. 87 का A, glycopyrrolate. 88. Which of the following mydretics has the fastest and briefest action? Atropine, omeprazole, tropamide, cyclopentolate, या none of the above. Answer number C, tropicamide. 89. The most suitable mydretics of the patient corneal ulcer is atropine sulfate, homatropine, cyclopentadol, tropamide. Here 89. A, atropine sulfate. 90. The most effective antidote of belladonna poisoning: neostigmine, phyostigmine, pilocarpine, methacholine, and both B and C. Here the option number B, phyostigmine. 91. Choose the correct statement about the nicotine. It is selective stimulate parasympathetic ganglia. It has no clinical application. It is used and aid during the smoking occasion. It used Alzheimer's disease. None of the above. Here the option number C, it does. It is used and aids during the smoking occasion. 92. The ganglionic blocking drugs are no longer used in therapeutic because they have few and big pharmacological action. They produce many side effects. They are inactive by oral route. They have short duration of action. They produce many side effects. 93. Which of the following is a non-catecholamine sympathomatics? Adrenaline, epinephrine, dopamine, isoprene, all of the above. Here are the ephedrine. The minimum alveolar concentration of the inhalation anesthesia is measure its potency, therapeutic index, diffusibility, while water participant consent, both B and C. 94. A, potency. The primary mechanism by which general anesthetic produce their action is after affecting receptor operation ion channel several neuron, blocking voltage sensitive sodium channel in the neuronal membrane, depressing metabolism activity of cerebral neuron, blocking production of high energy phosphate in the brain, and none of the above. Here the option number A, affecting receptor operation ion channel in cerebral neuron. 96. General anesthetic produce immobility in response to painful surgery stimuli by the acting primarily at the motor cortex, basal ganglia, thalamus, spinal cord, both A and B. Here the option spinal cord. 97. Which general anesthetic selective inhibits excretory NMDA receptor, thiopentone, haltone, displamine, ketamine? Here are the ketamine. If a patient being anesthetized with either a unconscious, has regular respiration, blood pressure, heart rate are normal, corneal reflex is present, and eyeball are covering, the patient is stage 2, stage 3, plane 1, stage 3, plane 2, stage 3, plane 3. Here the option number B, stage 3, plane 1. 19. No surgical operation should be performed during the following stage of anesthesia. B. Stage 2. 100. Second gas effect is created by the flowing gas when the co-demonstrated with the halotone, nitrous oxide, cyclopropane, nitrogen, helium, and none of the above. Nitrous oxide. So let's go how guys this video is ended up to 100, and then after next video after 100. So let's study and